Techanga chao wikirano ngusi byabale chisuti chigown chiduve chicurtains chicarpet ebikoro tukuru babiri by'abana bikabiri by'abantabanene mwigo mukuru bale obukoreri bwa vacuum cleaning sofa set cleaning asechinga niko bagotoka imiyo mu cy'ubusongo nyanjwa hanene gitali ya maiso mbabwate bwo obukoreri bwa pick up na bwo delivery asamange Bakirisine ase namba 0742178765. Nyota Dry Cleaners, nyota ya usafi.
Wanchumo ligereria homo basumi yandonsia soto bwaterete kero chiragire chinsa isano nebere ase Jumapili ya mirongo ibiri n'iyemo asomutienyi ogatano na gatatu omwaka uyu iga karibu sana ase kionga chinsa isano nebere ilionkumanye egati ya litwabere togo kwareganiria ase meze ya mangana maya ase nchira ere yobwinge Wilson Makori nere tokubwatana nere kurugalia sensema yebimanyererio na incheni gonkuru kwa Ruth Kemonto karibu ekerongo kumanye yemo ase yemo ayutwabere togo kwareganiri togo chakali molioka kurwa se county ya Nyamira magega yechia mate kurwa ase Kenyoro kia Kianginda imeye bunge ya West Mugirango ase chinyomba chiabo chabete chigo sambwa hamono mukagerwa yomo oyo magega yaye obetega kumusagana ngina oyo gendete kwenyorero bugwenya ase Nyagitali yemo imeye county ya Nyamira maiga yaye abanta babwato borobotindi bakamusagana na kumuita goika ogosiro buguma bwaye Mheshimiwa Osomo Jumbe we bunge yu omosike Stephen Mogaka nigabete kagutarira chiama techo basabiriga kulira yoguchikubaga tira chinyumba erikone kinkwenyorera barobo menyo ase baguchikomenya nonye nabo nigo abereka gotebabuna nigo arachikoira abana babiri abo bari ase nkeyo eskuru erikone kinkwenyorera bara masomabo obu asoyo mobo agosoma ase university noyonde niga agosoma ase skuru ya Ikonge PG eyuere secondary nigabirika kubulia baibuli bonsi kolenda abana babo ase chinchira chire chindonge elikwene kya chimba bunechiga nchiri kogendera kwenekiwa ase binyoro ime
abaibuli bali tubwata abana tigato teme kobera abana baitwange lero bana tokaga umwana ubwate nabanga buna kwarenge kero kwarenga umwana tubwata abana bao pi iga baibuli balitora manyanga goire skuru yogosoma nga mwana kiobwate tubwerigererie bigicha yawo buna gwakine tenyaruka una gwakine tumusae ukagenga no mwana ubwate nabakubwekaine takubwekaine pi abana bao bense ngao benga kie ngao igo banchere bamenye ngaki yabo buna na intutu anchere tukamenye engaki yaito yobosai abana babaito nkate iyo obyalire bwete yore aliya sobyalire no seino aliya asobyalire no seino no nyasa kurubirire tyo kubyaro igotiga komenya na abana bande oyigubuna bakamenyete nayo take komenya bo ancha komenya alia asinya saa kubegete nyasa nabwate sababu akubekere to ya kubali hali yako ya we are all born to homes and we belong to those homes igaba sae toile ngora tupeleke pole pole kama wazazi don't expect too much from our parents as young people. Abanyakenyoro esa wadi yoka nyasato ete ya maana na abana tiga tutarira abana baito tubakonye basome bache guchenchie mechi yaito bokongu borito bwate bono aye na inche ndoko bonyarege koera twaikire injira twaigegetwe no tore abana bukana barato konya togende levende gontegete monkonye nyore committee egotokonya twagache umuchi oyo toyoiranie aria surenge mondigeria committee nyetigere deposit bangurire mete bapime nyomba mundangerie mambia gosichu matatu ndeta mabati tubeke ekirama tororenga kitogochwatera gusira matobori tukubeka araka sana tokonya abana aba batware asibakuruka mwabo.
Togo tigana na yubono mwancho murigereria umoncho lyoyomo umanyikanite na Patrick Rianga ningabetega kumirana amana basani ao na baiga banyangero kurwa aseriro bali agusi asechinse mochenya mataro hau baetanete ya chimibere muna enchere yemo yokogendera kubasira na baigo kubasegeta asebiego byabo asebono babere bago chikorosia egeta senia kemo asebara chikumirana na baigo korokia ebiego byabo buna banyangero anene ekero mwaka go gose crossover gukwana boigo nigo abirega kubulia basani bonsi wesoke bali babwatebyegwa elikoene kibuna nkwenyorera bariribaga lyogokora lyokorokia ebyego byabo unenchereyemo anene yo kubasira na kubasegeta
achali tukoria rero kwimira basani bonsi bagusi asibabeta abantu bakora content content creators start content creators kwimira abana musiki kwimira matengi na kwimira biega bali bakora chiko soli cyo kwegia timaze ke usiki byana kebekire na butacho kwimira ali tukuria rero esingenjo emo yoko baleta amo egere banyare ko konyeka andi lini banyare ko chibesa kuraso mutanda oyo nambe emo ntotaka tukubeka basali bospiamo we pull resources from asanta water resources tunyale ko creative center igaso mo jobosongo egera basali banyore asibakonyumira na barabuka banyene namba ibere banyora equipment chonsi pi cha kirengejo kujakira chi camera chi microphone chi studio so that banyare kotwara asibako create content bono banyore asibako access maji microphone amade mbale bakabake bakosungo nyora no chi microphone ijo kubeka bakora content so we want to banyora access yebintebi tonyole mo content creators gusi upcoming wakine bali igoro bagenda uchigoro mono so that enyamere nyinge yoro montaña ole kuragira anyora konyora katolika ikiro monta katolika namba ibere agende ke tokwana nga unit of purpose yeye eko chuko cha sengenjo twaro se sub committee ga eko chuko tenenera korogosi ebintu byabasani byose binyare kokoraki binyare koba ase ege kabwe kemo na ntonyale ko distribute to all of them banyale ko faidika kuruase obosani obwabo on 31st December na tarehe moja ndoto wale show enene sana asege ti ya Kisii High School eshere yogo tampo ko mwaka na tarehe moja yeri 31st December 2026 tarehe moja January 2027 ndoto wale shere yogo chako mwaka igeshere cyo kwa matukabere mfululizo na anda bagusibo pesa mwabeta bali muri sikoyense bali muri Kenya bali muri sikoyense bali muri gusi
asichinge kichumwa nchumo ligireria igati ya banyangero nigo babere bagweso kina kokokera egetambo kerekyo ase babere bakuburia bali bonsi bali nebyegwa tibabasa kwebisa kolende gwesokya muna enchere yemo yokonyora ogosiruku nabo igokonyora libaga lyokweorokya na korokya ebyego byabo nonye nabo nigo babere bakuburia bonsi hau bali no moyo bogwancha gwesokya na kogendera gosira abanyasani bonsi muna enchere yemo anene yokubagendereria asamagimabo
talinga weno umuyego mutangani ko chikokorekana gusi. We've had very many festivals, many events. Egente ketangani abasani bale kolera is equity. Okonyoro musani amanyeka ine abwata matera anchire lakini taikorangeri gushow. So a committee likarayabe kugali ne committee ko tikoli ngaki you are going to get a platform based on merit. Nyo korega asingia you will get a platform to perform and put money in your pockets. Number 2, taringa Patrick na robot kiba sachi nyinge usiengima. We have very many people billionaires hapa Gusii. But nabakonyo romo ntawa siringi 10 but I already was share 2 shillings nae. So that is one thing abasani wants people to thank Patrick, not because he's rich but he has a big heart. So we also call upon gente ketalinga nigi ya Patrick wasene kio kiondo. We call upon hapa Gusii wants people of goodwill. Banche tege saku and banche tawa culture to come on board, bring their views, bring their ideas, bring their resources so that toko nyege saku toko nye culture yo Gusii musically, content na kirigento geko konsani Gusii bumera na gaiga talinga barenge bonsi mbale barenge migondo mbale bange ngale so to ranga nkwale ngasi moyo goyo orenga you are left out. The door is still open. Onyo koromo sani, if you are a creative out there, reach out. Ngakere simi akra end of the actors was say musicians yoma ebwate namba yabo bako include. We want this thing ebe role yeko bori kero monto oromo Gusii obwate interest yo Gusii at heart.
Togo tigana na yubono mwanchomo ligerelia ni gobono ligoririe chigas aiga asense ya Kenya lirachigokea na yankubwatekana no kwagachwa we project eyo erachigokonya aso koena na chigas gose liquid gas gocha ase chinsemo imeyense ya Kenya egento kyaberege koena kibobuna nigo kirachigokeya ligoririe chigas aiga asense ya Kenya. Ukona umunyakonda uyo ogendrete ne project eyo nigabereka gotebuna wikera omutinyi 10 omwaka uyu iga nigo project eyo erabe yabere tayare na nigo erachigokonya abantu kurwa chinsemo oimense ya Kenya kwenyorera egasi eyo buna enchire yemo yokorosye chindagera cyabo aso bwango nabo igo koene kibuna ense ya Kenya gochugokinere kubwatekana no koena na jigwe chigasi echo gocha ase chinse chirichiyeta nene egati ya ense ya Tanzania, Uganda amo ne chinse chinde.
We have been having the locals being trained in the menial works that we have around. We also have got the memorandums. That's the agreement with the TVET at Likoni, the Technical Vocational Training Institute. And it's been able to provide us with welders, plumbers, electricians, that again we have also been engaging them closely with our construction team. So we are expecting that at the end of this project there will be a bit, if not full, transfer of knowledge and expertise to the local people that we have around. It's also our wish that at the end of this project we will be able to have affordable and reliable clean LPG taken to the Kenyan market. It's important also to know that this project has been considered as one of the big milestones in the construction industry in Kenya. So far we have employed over 300 personnel working in this project, locals. And if I mean locals, that we have got from engineers, we have got from the local workers, that's the casuals. We also have got a group of people that we are training them stage-wise for an uptake of the whole plant once it's commenced. It is important also to note that at the inception, we had got a few challenges that the government came in to assist. That is in the creating of access roads. The government was very handy in this. Getting our permits, we are now currently working with all permits that are compliant to this project. So the government has been very handy in supporting this project. Now where we are looking to, as I've earlier mentioned, commission this plant in October. And
Togo tigana nayo omoko yo kabere omokonyi w'omuraibwense ya Kenya Rigathi Gachagua bwigore omuraibwe kyama gya DCP nigabere gakorokyo kwigena kwaye buna nigara chikwenyorera nando burai ase serikali asogoswa ase serikali asabere kagoteba buna isogoswa ase serikali nigo arachikoleta maunchorelio au asabere gakubulia bakenya bagendere kumusabirania nabo igo kumubwatisya elikwene kibuna nkwenyorera ribagelio nakobo omuraibwense ya Kenya elio achikoleta maunchorelio imeyense.
Mimi watu ya Manyata nataka kumwahidi, mkinichagua mwaka ujao nikuwe rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, nitarudisha masomo ya shule ya msingi bila malipo vile ilikuwa wakati ya Rais Mwai Kibaki. Watu wetu nataka mnaomba mnipatie nafasi. Masomo ya shule ya upili, secondary school ikuwe free, watoto wetu wasome. Mimi nataka kusema hapa Mlimani na Kenya nzima, tutaleta guaranteed minimum return. Tusikizane bei ya kahawa na majani chai na maziwa, wakulima wasipate hasara. Na mimi namwambia watu wetu, mambo ya polisi kuua watu ni mbaya mbaya, tutakubali. Sisi tunasema wale polisi mliua Gen Z, nikichukua serikali mtakamatwa na kupelekwa kotini, mwende mfungwe kwa sababu mko na damu ya Gen Z.
Manchomo rigeriria narayikorwa se kiunga chinsa isano na ibere nande chikoraga chinsa ikominingirane ngoletera yande asenchira ere yoboinge gendera gutwara oborigeri borobya ime ya Getembe TV karuto bwatirane na Wilson Makori kwenekia yegonsi kwa yanyorire ase ebimanyerero nabo igo DJ Atsan kwenekiri gene chibicha byago ikere na inche nako yaletera nigo nkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto.
Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokeme yo mucyo songo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwa seche company au obusi bw'ingano amabuta y'icingeni kurwa seche company au amajani kurwa se company ya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt egati bintu binde binge wigo mkonya bale chirangiche e company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwa se company ya MRM aywale ayechi size au nabego ne chirangi au mkonya bale black sheets egati bintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro to tigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolere bintu biga aseri guriria mubuko asamange totalere asinsamo cha Uhuru Complex eyuerange na magacho Safaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers ange na Credit Bank ime yomucho songo bakere simgotera set number chabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Nyota Dry Cleaners niko bagusibya balingana komase cyanga cyao wekerano ngusibya bale chisuti chigown chiduve chicurtains chicarpet ebikoro tukurwa bidibya bana bikabiri by'abantabanere wigo mukuru bale obokoreri wa vacuum cleaning sofa set cleaning asechinga niko bagutuka imeyo mu cy'ubusongo nyanjwa hanene gitari ya maiso mbabwate bwigo bukoreri bwa pickup na bwigo delivery asamange bakirisime ase namba 0742178765 Nyota Dry Cleaners, nyota ya usafi. Limited.